Hey future innovators, are you tired of career advice that feels outdated? Today we're time traveling to 2050 to explore 10 jobs that don't even exist yet, but will dominate the workforce. Whether you're choosing a major pivoting careers or just curious, these roles will blend cutting-edge tech, creativity, and purpose. Let's unlock your future. By 2050, AI will run hospitals, courtrooms, and even relationships. But who ensures it's fair? Enter the AI Ethics Compliance Manager, part philosopher, part tech guru. You'll audit algorithms for bias, design regulations, and defend human rights in tech. Skills needed: AI literacy, law and ethics, critical thinking, industry impact, healthcare, finance, governance. How to prep study ethics in tech, learn AI frameworks like TensorFlow, or dive into the philosophy of mind. Climate crisis? More like climate opportunity. These specialists won't just reduce emissions, they'll reverse them. Imagine engineering microbes to eat plastic, launching solar mirrors into space, or restoring dead coral reefs. Skills: bioengineering, climate science, systems thinking. Why it matters: the UN predicts 100 million climate refugees by 2050. This job saves lives. Pathway environmental engineering degrees or DIY projects like building a home bioreactor. By 2050, brain-computer interfaces could let us control devices with our thoughts. Neuro-Implant Designers will merge biology with tech, creating implants for memory enhancement, depression treatment, or even digital telepathy. Risks versus rewards. Ethical debates will rage. Privacy, inequality, hacking. Industries, healthcare, gaming, military. Future-proof learn neural networks, 3D bioprinting, or cognitive psychology. Elon Musk's Mars city won't build itself. Space architects will design habitats for radiation shielding, artificial gravity, and mental health in isolation. Think hydroponic farms, communal domes, and anti-depression lighting. Skills needed include aerospace engineering, psychology, and sustainable design. Fun fact: NASA already runs Mars habitat simulations. Volunteer for one. In 2050, everyone might have a digital twin, a real-time AI clone that mimics your health. Digital twin therapists will analyze your twin to predict burnout, optimize sleep, or even troubleshoot chronic pain. But here's a controversy. Will humans trust AI with their soul data? Education paths will likely include psychology and data science dual degrees. Fossil fuels, ancient history. Fusion techs will maintain reactors harnessing star power, clean, limitless energy. But it's not just about engineering. You'll also negotiate with communities fearful of mini-suns in their backyards. A breakthrough is needed, as fusion is always said to be 20 years away. But 2050 could be its decade. Sounds funny, but memes are the of Gen Alpha. Meme linguists will decode viral trends for brands, governments, and activists. Why did a cat meme start a protest in 2047? You'll know. Skills include cultural anthropology, meme history, yes, that's a class now, and AI content tools. Quantum computers will crack today's encryption in seconds. Quantum cryptographers will design unhackable systems using quantum physics. Work for governments, banks, or blockchain 3.0 startups. Threat level: a single quantum hack could collapse the global economy. No pressure. Future cities won't just be smart, they'll be alive. These directors will reintroduce wolves to parks, turn parking lots into wetlands, and design buildings that grow moss. Inspiration: Singapore's Garden City, but on steroids. Concerts in 2050? They'll be in the metaverse, and you'll produce them. Imagine coordinating a K-pop hologram tour across 50 virtual worlds, or a Burning Man where avatars hallucinate digitally. Skills: VR design, community management, NFT law. Yes, that's a thing. The future isn't just about tech, it's about values. Will AI ethics jobs outnumber coders? Will we prioritize climate repair over profit? You get to decide. So, which of these futures will you build? Let's debate in the comments. Smash subscribe, ring the bell, and share this with someone who's ready to future-proof their career. Next week, 10 extinct jobs by 2030. Are you at risk? Stay curious.